What's up, YouTube? This is my first house update video showing you a couple projects that I did over the winter and spring. It's also to give myself a little baseline for when I go back and review my own progress, you know, just to keep me honest. Also, it's a little bit cathartic, you know. Hopefully I can make these a little bit more on the reg, so that can hold me accountable and actually make me better at making these videos, because my first couple were a rough hang. So we'll see with my square gig, and yeah, let's get this going. So I'm gonna show you the state of the house right now, baseline if you will, because it's building season. So yeah, it's time to get things done, trying to make stuff happen. These are the kitchen cabinets I built. Took the fronts off to Rubio them. This is where my wife did her fantastic tile work. It's looking quite nice, quite spicy. These are concrete countertops. Go check that video out if you haven't seen it yet. Got this all plumbed in. It should be up to code. Here's the trim depot right here. This is gonna be our next big project. It's gonna be a built-in. There's also gonna be firewood storage there, which I think I'm gonna tile. Could be cool. This is our new bathroom that we put in over the winter. We just have to put on a few more finishing touches and then this thing will be done. Pretty excited about that. Completely missed the boat on making videos of this. Our next project was refinishing the floors, which we also made a video about, so go check that out. This project cost blood and coin. It took us quite a bit of time to prepare for it, but in the end we came through and everything looked great. This brought us to the beginning of the summer. Getting them beds ready. Please subscribe if you like it. Give us a thumbs down if you don't. Cue the uplifting vlog music.